All right, just wanted to go over the homework with you as if I was in class, but I'm not, so I apologize for that. So number one on the homework, hopefully you did it right and you got x equals -6. I noticed with these after, and you're going to do more of these after you check your homework, they're all like denominators, so it did make it pretty straightforward, I think. So you should have got x equals -6 for number one, multiply everything by 3. Number two, multiply everything by 5, clears out to 5z plus 3 equals z. And then you end up actually, probably should have subtracted z on both sides, but in the end you get -3/4. Number three, multiply everything by 2, subtract 2t on both sides, and again -12. Number four, multiply everything by 15. This one ends up just adding 4 and dividing by 15. It's -1/5 that reduces to. Pause the video at any point or go back if you want to see the work. Number 5 should look like this. Multiply everything by 5. Make sure you do that by the constant too. So here, 4m smaller, so I subtract 4m, and I get 5. And the last one's -3. So this one multiply everything by 2. And it works out nicely again. Throughout the whole thing, you're really just, when you have the denominator 2 and you multiply by 2, you're really just canceling it out and putting 1. And canceling out the 2's and putting 3w. And in the end, for this one, if you subtract 1, I guess I did. I could have subtracted 2w, but I didn't. And then, or -3w actually would have been the first step, because that one's smaller. And then that would have gave you 5w in the end, but in the end your answer is 3. So that's the homework. The next thing you're going to do on your remote Friday or sub work Friday, if you're in school, is I have it's numbers 7 to 12, which you're also going to try to do that are very similar with like denominators. Some of them have parentheses, so you have to distribute first. So I'll give you a sneak peek at like number 10 you're about to do. It's on a form, but just notice that like 2/5, remember this is like 5/1, like we've been practicing. So that would be when you distribute, oh man, I didn't even do it that way in this, so I'll quickly show it to you here. Sorry, so I did this one a little differently than I did this year. So this would be, when you distribute, it would be 10/5. I think in your problem, it's going to be an x plus 70 over 5 equals 20. Ignore those 5's up there. So then you can multiply everything by 5, and it should work out. Yeah, it should. Well, I might as well finish it for you. Multiply everything by 5. You get 10x plus 70 equals 100 minus 70 minus 70. 10x equals 30 divided by 10. X equals, oops, sorry. X equals 30. Good luck with the rest of the questions.